Whoa!
Welcome back, guys. Today I have a bigger bike. Do you know how fast this thing goes?
14 miles an hour.
I'm going to show you.
Today he's learning how to balance a motorcycle or dirt bike. There will be a lot of falling. Trial and error. And then when he's good, he'll start doing some tricks. There goes a fall. He's safe. He's good. When he starts doing his tricks, we'll be doing a lot more videos. But right now, we're just practicing on our new dirt bike. And we'll let you guys know how things go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CJ Rocks. All right, bye.